everybody, hope you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can block or unblock any number in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to block a call from unknown number or unblock any number in your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can block or unblock numbers in your device.